Okay, so I have my eyebrows done, eyes done. My lashes are crazy. I'm trying out these new lashes that a company sent to me, and I like them so far. They're really, really full, very, very full. That's what I'm gonna say right now. So let's see how they look at the end of the look. So before we move into the foundation, I'm going to let you guys know for the wear test, I just show me applying moisturizer, primer, the foundation, concealer, and setting powder, and then I do everything else off camera. So let's get into it. So for moisturizer, I'm taking the LMS Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. It's just like a serum oil type of thing, and apply one here and a drop on both sides of my cheeks and just massage it in. So for primer, I'm taking the Touch and Sew No Problem Primer, and this stuff is bomb. I take a whole pump. So I'm gonna just do the usual half brush, half sponge, and see what I like better. So I'm gonna go in with the sponge first, and again, this is in the shade Golden. So I'm gonna take about that much. Okay, and then for the brush, I'm taking the BH Cosmetics 123 brush. It's basically just a flat top brush. While I was about to apply primer to my brush. So I'm going to try to take the same amount. It's really hard to know because it comes out like in a squeezy tube. So I think that much. And just apply. Okay, so this is the side with the brush. I feel like it's definitely more full coverage with the brush. That's usually the case. And then this is the side with the sponge, which looks a bit more like natural and skin-like. So I'm just gonna tap over the sponge side with the brush and then go over everything with the sponge. So everything is looking pretty good right now. I feel like it is emphasizing some texture though. Like any little breakouts I have on my face or bumps, it's like definitely peeking through. Not loving that. So for concealer, I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Medium Sand 34S, and then I'm going to mix it with the e.l.f. HD Concealer in Medium because this is just a bit too light and this is just like dark. So the concealer blended out pretty nicely over that. I think it looks amazing. So I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. This is in light medium 20. And I'm just going to put this everywhere I put concealer. I don't know if it's the lighting, but in person this looks like a pretty good match, but the lighting is making me look a bit washed out on camera. So I'm gonna go in with the MAC Studio Fix Plus Powder Foundation in NC43 and set everywhere else, and then lightly tap over where I put the loose powder. I'm gonna do everything off camera and then I will be back with the final look. And as of right now, it is 1:36, so it's probably gonna be around 2 o'clock by the time I am done with everything. So we're gonna start this wear test at 1:30. So I finished the look and it is currently 1:57. So it's already half an hour in and nothing has changed. I used the MAC Fix Plus in Rose to set my makeup. So we will see how this foundation lasts throughout the day. So I feel like my light is making the foundation look like off. So I'm gonna fix my lighting real quick. I lowered the brightness and I feel like that looks a bit better. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But this is the completed look. So I will check back in with you guys in probably like 2 to 4 hours. So it's currently 6:22. This is what the foundation is looking like. There's like no oils peeking through. I haven't looked in the mirror since I've done my makeup, but it is looking pretty good. Don't mind my hair. I've been cooking and stuff and running around the house all day, so I look like a hot mess, but this is what the foundation is looking like, and I will try to wear it for at least 8 hours. So see you in the next clip, which will most likely be the 8-hour mark. Okay, so it is currently 9 o'clock. I need to start taking my makeup off because I want to take it off. So 7.5 hours in, and I want to say that the only thing that is oily is this area of my nose and over here. Practically just my nose is oily, as you can see. Super oily, but I feel like if I just put like a paper towel or blotted it, it will look fine. So we're gonna do that now. But before I do that, just a up close of what the foundation looks like at 7.5 hours of wear. It literally looks flawless. And if it's worn off by my mouth, it's because I had pizza, I had a salad, a grilled chicken salad earlier. It's so good. My lipstick and stuff obviously were off, but we're not here for that. We're here for the foundation. So that's what it looks like up close. So let's blot it really quickly. So I either use pressed powder or a napkin, but for this video, I'm going to try using a napkin just to see if it picks up any foundation. So it did pick up some of the foundation, but it's dry now. I mean, it did remove the majority of the foundation on my nose. So I would definitely recommend going in with a powder rather than blotting, at least with tissue. I'm sure those like blotting papers would be better. I don't have that, so obviously that's why I'm using a napkin. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with the foundation and how it wore. Also, I've been switching around my background. I don't know what I like. I feel like I like this more because I feel like it's more aesthetically pleasing. Like, it shows that I'm about makeup, you know. I think I'll use the clean plain wall for when I'm doing like sit down talking videos, like my January favorites video. I think I'll like do stuff like that with that background. But as far as my regular videos, I think I'm going to use this setup. Comment down below what you guys think, if you prefer the clean wall or if you like this setup better. But to wrap up this video, I give this foundation a 10 out of 10. I mean, it didn't even get like oily except for my nose, and normally this is all oily, this is oily, my chin is super oily. It's starting to get a tad bit oily in my chin, but nothing like noticeable or like that I need to blot. And I also did apply a bit of highlighter on my chin, so that could be that too. But overall, this foundation wore beautifully, and it is Serenity Rose approved. I think this is amazing. Also, I lost a nail. My God, I get sidetracked so easily. So that brings this video to an end. If you guys enjoyed, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys thought about the foundation. If you tried it, if you want to try it, if you're thinking about getting it, if you think it wore okay, good, bad, just leave it down below in the comment section. Also, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. It'll be in this corner right here with another video of mine for you guys to check out. I mean, if you made it this far, you clearly like my content, so why not just check out the next video? Come on. On that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!